Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can fix mesh error. Mesh error generally occur when you have any geometry with the sharp edges or you have any complex geometry. At that time when you create any mesh, you faces some mesh error. So in this video we will see how we can fix them. For that I will take a blank model and I have built one 3D geometry, so I will import that one. So before that I will add a component 3D. Now we will go to geometry. So best way to import any 3D geometry, so go to the insert sequence and select it, and I will click the build all. So geometry has been uploaded. So directly we will go to the mesh, and this is the complex geometry, and we will create a normal mesh for this, and let's see what happened. So after generating I have faced the two error. Warning one shows is that there is a problem with the edges, which is shorter than the whatever the element size is, and error 2 is saying there is a error with the face. So to better way to solve this, just go to edit physics induced sequence under the free tetrahedral. So by default it is 3D geometry, so COMSOL has made a free tetrahedral shape, element shape. So first we will solve the first error, which is showing that there are few edges which is shorter in size than the whatever the element size we have made. The best way to do this, so we will copy all the edges whatever we have here. We simply copy the selection and go to the free tetrahedral and size it, and what we do, we will select the edge and we will paste the all edges where we have faced the issue, and instead of normal we will go for a smaller size because those edges are bigger. So let's check the fine one. Okay, fine is still not enough, so we will go to the finer. Okay, so finer element size has been resolved by issue. So now go to the another warning. This one is saying the some faces having issue. So same just like that, we will copy all the faces and go to the free tetrahedral size, and in the geometry we will select the boundary and we will paste here, and again we will try to go for fine. Not worked, we will go for finer. Yeah, so in this also they have solved, and like this you can solve your meshing error step by step. Thank you so much.